Hello everyone, my name is Michael Wallman and I'm here with PetesPlumbing&Heating, and today we're going to be choosing the winner of our quarterly newsletter raffle. So to be entered in this raffle, you need to be signed up for our newsletter between December and now, and what you could be winning is the Devonshire 8-inch widespread bathroom faucet. And so the finish of this is an oil rub bronze. So to give you a look at the faucet here, and here's what the handle looks like. So really a beautiful finish there. I love the colors on this. All right. So the Devonshire is a reminiscent of old world design. This Devonshire faucet brings a refined look to your bath or powder room sink, with lever handles providing easy operation. Leak-free Ultra Glide valves offer durable performance over time. And so this faucet is actually a WaterSense labeled faucet, which means it uses 30% less water than your standard 2.2 gallon per minute faucets. So this faucet is actually 1.2 gallons per minute. That's its flow rate. And so this is a Kohler faucet, the Kohler finishes resist corrosion and tarnishing, and they exceed industry durability by 2 times. So Kohler is a really great company, and so you know when you're purchasing through Kohler that you're getting a great quality product. So this is a great opportunity. This is actually around a $400 value. The list price for this is $390. So it's a great chance. So I really hope that you sign up for our newsletter and that you could be in the running for this. But if you didn't, no need to worry, because our next raffle is going to, so if you sign up for our newsletter now, we just made a recent post that you can sign up through there, and you can be entered to win a Moxie shower head. And so the Moxie shower head is actually really cool. So this shower head actually has a Bluetooth speaker in the middle of it. So this is what the shower head looks like right here. And so right here you have your Bluetooth speaker, and so it's like a magnet, and it comes out right from the middle here. And so whenever you want to listen to music, this is a Bluetooth that turns on right through here, and you connect it through your phone. And so here, I'll take this off so you can really see what it looks like. And so this is really cool. I actually have one of these myself, and I love the Moxie shower head. And what's so cool about it is I get to listen to my music while I shower, but also when I'm done, I can also take it with me while I'm getting ready. So I don't have to stop my music, and I can still listen to it at a great volume too. And what's actually kind of cool is because the water, as you can see, goes around the speaker when it comes out. So it actually creates a really cool sound when you're listening to it in the shower. So it's really cool, and I think you would like it. So be sure to sign up for our newsletter. I'm also going to leave a link in the comments to be able to sign up for it, so you'll be able to have it right there. And so this is a quote that I found. Talking about the Moxie shower head, "This has changed my life. It's amazing. Quality is great." And this was from Katie Lindendahl, which is a tech contributor on the Today Show. So I'm not the only one who's in love with the shower head. So one more thing before we get to our raffle is I want to tell you about a promotion that we're doing right now through PetesPlumbing&Heating, and that is you can get $50 off the list price of any faucet with order and install through us. And that also includes a 1-year warranty included. So it's a great opportunity. So if you want, there's more information on our website, or you can also call us and we can give you some more information about that. And just to let you know too, to be eligible for that, it's 1 discount per household, and you must be within our service area to be a part of that offer. All right, so without further ado, we're going to be choosing the winner of our raffle. So today we have a plumber with us today to help us choose our winner. So if you would like to introduce yourself.
What's going on, everyone? My name's Pete from PetesPlumbing&Heating, and I have the privilege today to pick the winner.
All right, so let's give us a good mix up. So, you know, we're being fair here.
That's it.
All right.
Gotta stir it up just a little bit.
Gotta.
All right.
Oh, there's two there.
Oh, there's two. Jeez. Oh.
Try again. We're being fair here.
Yeah. It's my first time. All right. Denise Gilbert, you are the winner.
Congratulations, Denise.
All right, so Denise. Woo!
Please make sure you check your email so that we can get this faucet to you. All right. So congratulations again, and just a little thing before we leave. I just want to let you know that here at Pete's Plumbing, we are Kohler authorized service reps and Kohler installation partners, proud to bring you the newest innovations to turn your house into the home you've always wanted. And so Pete's Plumbing is also a full-service bathroom and kitchen remodeling service, and so we're excited to make your interior design dreams a reality. So call us today for some more information or check out our website. And again, thanks everyone for tuning in, and hopefully you sign up for our newest newsletter so you can be entered in a chance to win the Moxie shower head. So, and to give you a little idea of what it looks like on the inside, that's all the wires and all that cool stuff. So thanks again everyone for tuning in, and best of luck to you.